Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing the image optimization. I wanted to run you guys through it because the image optimization is actually very important. It's something a lot of people don't do. And a lot of competitors online, if you go and you save their images, you're going to be able to see that they don't save their images properly. So they don't optimize the file name. They don't add any text overlay to their images, which does help the Google API scan the image, and it helps connect that image back to your business, your brand, whatever. So simple things that I've learned with the years, and I'm going to be sharing it with you guys. This way you guys could have the advantage when you're building websites, specifically local service-based websites in your area. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is that we're going to come over here, and you're going to see that with any of these boxes, you're going to be able to click it, and it's going to say Manage Image. So again, Snaps is a very easy AI-built type of software. There's a lot of different ones that you can use. Snaps is a good one. WordPress is a little bit bigger. It requires a larger learning curve, but nonetheless, they all work well, okay? As long as you optimize your images and you optimize your website exactly how I'm going to show you guys are going to have success building a local service-based website. It's going to generate leads, and you guys are going to be good to go. So let's come in here. We're going to put Manage Image, okay? And you're going to see that you're going to be able to upload some images here. So first things first, we're going to go to Pixlr.com. It's a free editor that you can use. Now I think they have a limit. It's like, I think it's something in the neighborhood of 3 saved images per usage. But here's an interesting thing. If you optimize the image, you really don't need such large images. You can add the text overlay. You can do what I'm going to show you guys, and you can screenshot it. So I'm also going to show you that as well in case you don't want to pay for this. I'm going to find my file here. These are already images that I have from the pressure cleaning jobs that I've done. And let me just go back really quick into the website and see roof cleaning, right? Soft wash roof cleaning. I got gutter cleaning, commercial pressure cleaning, exterior house cleaning. So I'm going to come in here, open image, and I'm going to go into the file. So for my commercial pressure cleaning image, I'm going to be using this one here. I'm going to upload it, and you're going to see that image there. So one of the first things that you want to do is that you want to come into image. So I'm going to come in here to the logo, and I'm going to be able to paste that right in here. Okay, so that's the logo. It's a little bit large. I'm just going to go ahead and downsize that, drag it over to the image. And the reason you want to put logos inside of your images is because it's going to help you brand your images. It also prevents competitors from stealing them. And aside from that, Google does correlate a brand. So Google, everything now is brands on Google. So you always want to have a brand logo on every single image. It also solidifies your brand in the eyes of searchers on the internet. So after that, this is commercial pressure cleaning services. So I'm going to put commercial pressure cleaning services, right? And I'm going to put a geographical area. So wherever I am targeting, if I'm building a site in Tamiami, Florida, I'm going to want to optimize for Tamiami, Florida, like so. And if it looks too big, just make it a little bit smaller, 30. We're going to go ahead and put that there. And voila, Google can read that. Google knows that right there says pressure cleaning services in Tamiami. Okay, it can read it. And from there, even take it a step further. We're probably going to do this in a later video that I'm going to post here on Profit with SEO. But once you have the name, address, and phone number of your business, you can also optimize it there. So if you're building a website and you already know the address that your business is going to be on, make sure you put it down here. So it would be name, address, and phone number. Okay, and you would stack that right under here. So it would be name of business, address, and phone number. And it would look like that. And then from there, you would just fit it right in. Okay, guys? So let me just delete this because right now I still don't know the address that I'm going to put the business, what co-working space I'm going to be using. Okay. Remember, you can use a residential or commercial. If it's residential, you don't want to use more than one of the same business in that residential address. Also, if you want to make that residential address more solidified, just only put one business, okay? As Google becomes smarter, it's going to know that one residential address is not going to have 5 different businesses. Maybe you can have like 2 to 3, and you can get away with it for a few years. But just to play on the safer side, you always want to use a residential address that does not have a business. If you're going to have a commercial address, that's a different story, okay? So right here, we're going to save it as the same file name. So right here where it says Commercial Pressure Cleaning Services in Tamiami, Florida, We're going to come up here where it says save, and we're going to be able to save that there. And we're going to save that down to 335. If the image size is too big, what I like to do is just go to image resize, height, and I'm going to put 500, apply. And then right here, I'm going to be able to go down, save, and paste that there. And then what you want to do is, once you have the keyword that you're targeting with the service area, you're going to want to put the brand name. So Adam Pressure Cleaning Tamiami. All right, and this is what it's going to look like. Save. So once that image is saved, we're going to go back into snaps. We're going to go up to commercial pressure washing. Again, you're going to click it twice. Go to manage image. You're going to upload image. Downloads. There's the image with the text. Okay. It does not matter if you can't see the text there, because Google, when it goes into this image link on your website, it's going to see this. It's going to see the logo and the actual text underneath. So remember, it does not have to be showing. All right. Then from there, image alt text, commercial pressure cleaning services in Tamiami, Florida. Bam. And everything is good to go. Just make it, fit it, make it look pretty. And that's it. And for the most part, the images, some are bigger than others. Ideally, I would want them all the same size. But, right now, you're just trying to get the website done and get it launched so you can move to the next step. Start getting the website ranking. Once it's ranking, once it's producing money, you're going to come back into these websites and you're going to start fixing them and optimizing them, okay? So same process with gutter cleaning, same process with roof cleaning, soft wash cleaning, right? You go to Pixlr, you add the logo, you add the text down here, you optimize that image file name with the text that's down here. So if I'm doing gutter cleaning services, I'm not just going to put gutter cleaning service. I'm going to put gutter cleaning service in city name /state. And that's the area that I'm optimizing for. And then after that, I'll add the logo to the left side and you're good to go, guys. Okay, so that's the process for image optimization. I'll see you guys in the next video.